A new world record in speed solving a Rubik's Cube had been set by an American Max Park. Now the record is 3:13. The previous record had stood for 5 years.
Yes!
Let's move on to analyzing this record and see how the world record holder solved it. This is how the scramble looks like, just take a look at it. And I will do the analysis of the solving on the same cube as the world record holder. This is a Tornado V3M cube. Max Park started solving with white. He saw that he has this line of white, which has white-orange and white-red details. It was very convenient to put white-green to them in one move. And then he makes a double movement of the bottom face, puts down the last detail of the cross, but he didn't stop the solving of the cross on this. He decided to solve two pairs at the same time. Then he made a movement D, and to solve a block of blue-orange color, he inserted this edge with his left hand. At the same time, he put a red-green corner. And then he did it again. He put a red-green edge in its place in the back slot. R prime, U prime, R. Here he put an edge. He already has a corner from this edge. He finished the cross, and then he solved these two pairs. It's orange-blue, here you can see, and green-red. After that, he inserted already solved green-orange pair into the back slot with his left hand. That's it, it's solved. And after that, he had one pair in front of him. He made such movements: U prime, a small sexy move, and after that made a very unusual movement, DW, and inserted a pair into the back slot. It was extremely fast, probably in less than 2 seconds. After that, only OLL was left. He solved it from this position. And he noticed that he had an OLL skip, and all that was left is to turn it a bit. And thus he set this record, 3:13. Let me try to solve a world record scramble and see what time I get. And you can also try to solve the scramble, it will be in the description. So let's get started. So my result is 6.7. It's a pretty good time for me. I solved it in my own way. Now let me try to solve it as Max Park did it. Maybe the result will be a little better. I got 4:46. This is faster than my previous result, but still very far from the new world record. Write your results in the comments on this scramble. Maybe you can beat the world record holder. And if you don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, then subscribe to our channel. We will teach you.